A very warm welcome to the EMO Trade Show 2019 here in Hanover. You are on the HEXAGON Production Software booth, and we are proud to be here and present our newest and famous solutions. In terms of highlights, we have the Ducati Motorcycle at our booth, and we demonstrate in reality how you can produce a part of the motorcycle, this kind of a saddle here, which is in reality, and put it into virtual reality. So we can see how all the software is working together with the machines, and at the end you have the part ready for production. That's what we see here on our booth as one of the highlights, and we also present other products in terms of solutions which are working together in terms of phases, in terms of HCAM, Work and See, as well as Wheezy. Those are the products we're presenting here, and the interfaces between those products can be shown as well. As one of the highlights, we do have also NC Simul on our booth, and do interfaces to those well-known brands like Wheezy, HCAM and Work and See. Why is the EMO so important for us? The entire team is very excited for the entire week. Today we have the first day. The morning was great, a lot of interest at our booth, and we're really looking forward for the rest of the week.